How to blur background in Snapchat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to blur background in Snapchat. So, first is you have to go to your Play Store and just search Snapchat. Now, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, my Snapchat application is updated. So, now we can go to our tutorial. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will look like this. So it will lead you here to your camera part. So to add a blur background, if you want to take a photo out of something or you want to take a selfie and just blur the background, then click on the search here, search effects, and then type in blur background. Blur background here. Now all you have to do now, if you will search that, you will see various effects that actually blurs your background. So you will see various of effects here that actually blurs your background, but I highly recommend you to choose this background, that is created by this user. So it actually looks like this. Its profile has the word blur background. So you just tap on that, and basically that is how you blur your background in Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.